Up half down is the most popular and the easiest hairstyle for kinky textured clip-ins. In fact, this was my first hairstyle when I started to install clip-ins. If you want to learn how to install this hairstyle, please stay tuned for this tutorial. My hair is already washed and moisturized. First, I will start to partition my hair from ear to ear. I will brush my hair to detangle it. Then I will separate some hair from the back just next to my ear. This part is important because it will cover the clip-ins not to show. I will go ahead and twist my hair to give it the same texture as the clip-ins. I will start to cornrow the back section of my hair. Cornrow is optional. If you want to leave your hair, you can also leave your hair and still fix the clip-ins, but I feel confident with cornrows. I will start by fixing the clip-ins. First step, I will start by opening the clip-ins. Always remember to close your clip-ins before you store them back in your satin bag. I will repeat the same until half down of my head. Now it's time for the front section. At this point, I'm thinking whether to go for one pony or to do two ponies. I decided to go for two ponies. After I'm done with separating the two, I will start to detangle my hair, spray some water, and apply some gel on the edges. I will go ahead and brush my edges just to give it a sleek look. I will do the same for the other side as well, and then I will go ahead and tie my hair with a headscarf to lay the edges more down. I will keep the headscarf for about 45 minutes while I do my makeup. I will remove the scarf and I will start to install the clip-ins all around. I will use a bobby pin to secure the pony. We're almost done. I will start to undo the twist. You remember the hair that we separated to cover the clip-ins from showing? Yes, this one. I will go ahead and undo the twist. The twisted hair came out exactly like my natural clip-ins. I love this. Voila, the hair is ready and we are ready to rock. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I would like to know some of your views. Please leave your comments down in the comments below. What was your first hairstyle using clip-ins? If you haven't tried clip-ins, please also leave your comment why you haven't tried them.